Hi guys, welcome back to my new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to make an animated splash screen for your Android app using the official Android Splash API. And this video is different from my earlier video in which I told you how to make a splash screen by using another activity. Instead of showing your Android app users a blank screen, you can show a cool animated splash while the app is loading. And this is how this example is going to look. You can see there is a splash screen coming with some animation like rotation and scaling animation in a nice blue screen and a logo. And you can see after some time the main activity loads. So let's begin and launch the Android Studio. Start a new project and select empty views activity and click next. And now here you have to give a name to your application. I provide my splash, and the rest of the thing I can keep the same. Keep build configuration language. I choose Groovy, and that's okay. You can choose anything and click finish. And you will land where you can see main activity.java and Android main.xml. First thing what we will do is to delete this H2H and other contents, and we will leave only set content view because we don't need H2H content right now. And second thing what we'll do, we will add dependency for Splash API. So we will go to app level Gradle and write dependency implementation android.core:core splash screen 1.2.0. That's the latest API version right now. Now we'll go to main activity.java and we will write splash screen.install splash screen. Inside the bracket we'll write this. And when we go to the main XML, you can see there is a hello world, and we are not going to change any code inside this because that's our main activity. So now we will go to resource folder and we'll go to themes and build a style for our splash theme. You will see in the themes there is already a style based theme, my splash. That's your original app theme, and what you have to do is you have to add another style for your splash theme. So let's write style name. My new theme is theme.myapp.splash. You can choose any name. Parent equal to, it should be always theme.splash screen. Inside we have to provide some properties for the theme. So we will create first item name is equal to Windows splash screen background, and the color I will give some blue color, so #0D47A1. Then another item Windows splash screen animated icon, and here is the icon which we are going to use. You can choose your own drawable, but always remember that it has to be a vector file. Here I choose my drawable IC launcher foreground. That's a simple available resource in my folders. Now the third item I have to create is item name equal to post splash screen themes. What theme is going to launch after my splash screen is finished, and that is the base theme which I have, and I know the theme.mysplash. Now we will go to Android manifest, and inside the activity, the launching theme would be Android theme equal to @style/theme.myapp.splash. You can confirm this with the name which you have provided for your new theme, and that's the name you are supposed to write here. That's your manifest file, and that's all you need to do for creating a splash screen. I have not done any animation, and just let's run this project and let's see how this is working. And you can see the program is working fine and it's launched, and you can see there is a blue screen and a logo is coming, and after some time the main activity hello world is appearing. So that is our splash screen already ready. Now what we can do, we can add some animation to it so that it looks more fun. I will add a variable here, splash screen and equal to the earlier written code splash screen.install splash screen. And then this variable I will use splash screen dot set on exit animation listener. Inside the bracket I will write splash screen view and an arrow symbol and curly brackets. Inside the curly brackets I will write view icon view equal to splash screen view dot get icon view. And you can see view is red because we have to import the class, and alt enter press on the view and you will import the class. Next I will write icon view dot animation brackets, below that dot rotation. So first thing what we will do, we will rotate. So rotation 360 degrees. So that's we will rotate one full rotation, and the duration you can set here whatever you want. I set 600, it's milliseconds. And then we will write dot with an action. And the bracket again there is an arrow because when rotate finishes we want to scale up. Inside the curly bracket we will write again icon view dot animate, and we'll write dot scale x, and I want to be it very big, so 10f, so it will scale 10 times, and scale y is also 10 times. And then we can give an alpha because I want fading animation. So when it expands, it should fade. Inside the alpha, I will write 0f so that it totally disappears. That will give a nice feel. And then set duration. This is duration for scaling up and fading together, 600. Now we'll write below dot width and action, splash screen view, remove. And then dot start. And also after this bracket, we will write dot start again. We have to start two animations here. So you can see first we did rotation and then we have added scale animation. Now let us run the project and we'll see how it looks. You can see it's launching and there is a rotation and there is a scaling and fading. And that's very nice splash screen I've created, and the main activity is launching after that. That's how simple it is to create splash screen using the official API. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something from this, and thank you for watching and see you in the next video.